Natural light and fresh air play an important role in creating a comfortable, healthy home. Many homeowners look for ways to brighten their living spaces while also improving ventilation. One of the most effective upgrades that can accomplish both goals is installing casement windows. For homeowners considering window upgrades, Casement Windows Frisco offer a practical and stylish solution that enhances both natural light and airflow throughout the home. Casement windows are designed with side hinges and open outward like a door, typically using a crank handle. This simple yet efficient design allows them to capture and direct outside air into the home while maximizing the glass area. The result is a window style that not only looks elegant but also performs exceptionally well in everyday living spaces. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is their ability to bring in more natural light. Unlike many traditional window styles that use multiple panes separated by frames, casement windows often feature a single large pane of glass. With fewer obstructions blocking the sunlight, more natural light can enter the room. This helps brighten interiors, making spaces feel larger, warmer, and more welcoming. In homes where lighting can feel limited, such as hallways, kitchens, or living rooms with shaded areas, installing casement windows can make a noticeable difference. The increased sunlight can enhance the appearance of furniture, wall colors, and decor, while also reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Over time, this can even help homeowners lower their electricity usage. Beyond improving brightness, Casement Windows Frisco are also known for their excellent ventilation capabilities. Because they open fully outward, they allow a larger opening than many other window styles. This wide opening creates better airflow, helping fresh air circulate throughout the home more effectively. The design of casement windows also allows them to act almost like a sail when open. When positioned properly, they can catch passing breezes and direct them indoors. This feature is particularly beneficial during pleasant weather when homeowners want to cool their homes naturally without relying entirely on air conditioning. Improved airflow contributes to a healthier indoor environment. Fresh air helps remove stale air, indoor pollutants, and lingering odors from cooking, pets, or daily activities. Rooms such as kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms especially benefit from the enhanced ventilation that casement windows provide. By improving air circulation, these windows can help create a fresher and more comfortable atmosphere inside the home. Another benefit of casement windows is their flexibility in placement. They work well in a variety of spaces where airflow and lighting are important. For example, many homeowners install them above kitchen sinks, in bathrooms, or along exterior walls where capturing outdoor breezes is desirable. Because they are easy to open and close with a crank mechanism, they are also convenient in hard-to-reach areas. Casement windows also contribute to the overall energy efficiency of a home. When closed, their design creates a tight seal between the window sash and frame. This seal helps reduce drafts and prevents outside air from leaking in during extreme weather. With better insulation, homeowners can maintain a more stable indoor temperature while potentially lowering heating and cooling costs. In addition to performance benefits, casement windows add a modern and elegant look to a home's exterior and interior. Their clean lines and expansive glass panels complement many architectural styles, from contemporary houses to more traditional designs. This combination of style and functionality makes them a popular choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Ultimately, installing Casement Windows Frisco is a smart investment for homeowners who want brighter rooms and better ventilation. By allowing more natural light to enter and improving airflow throughout the home, these windows help create a more comfortable and enjoyable living environment. Whether used in one room or throughout the entire house, casement windows can significantly enhance the way a home feels every day.